Greetings. Today I want to speak to you on the subject of creative unity and how you need to unite yourself with the creative power that is within you that you can use to achieve your every desire. Why this subject of creative unity? Most people are divided and most people have different belief system, because we are living in a world whereby the systems have been set up to keep us divided, but mostly to divide ourselves from our true identity, keeping us from knowing who we are. And so when you come to know who you are, then you will know your power. And that is why it's very important for you to understand that the Bible is a book of mind science and that it must be interpreted psychologically. That is why it is very important for you to understand that the kingdom of God is within you. So according to Matthew 6:33, when you discover creative unity, anything that you desire in this world, it will be added unto you, because you will discover the secret of creation and you'll be able to operate the power of creativity that is within you, because you're now united with your inner self. So we are living in a physical world, a world of matter, but there's a world of the infinite, a world of energy. And energy cannot be created or destroyed, but energy can be transmuted. So if you are not in unity with your true identity, you will never know how to operate in terms of energy transmutation, or to transmute energy into matter. In other words, you will not know anything concerning alchemy, because you are separated from your divinity. And so many people has become so earthbound and become so wrapped up, tied up in this physical realm, that they forget that they're just having a human experience here, and that the true essence is spirit. So when you come to the realization that you're spirit having a human experience, and you start to live from the world of spirit, that is, you start to living from the fourth dimension. And you start to think four-dimensionally. And you start to act four-dimensionally by affirming your life how you want it to be. By visualizing your life how you want it to be. By transmuting energy into matter. By working with alchemy and understanding spiritual and psychological alchemy to create your reality consciously. It is now you operating like a real superhero, because you come to that place of creative unity. So my brother, my sisters, what am I saying? I'm saying you have to come to that place of oneness. You have to come to that place of knowing that everything is connected. You have to come to that place of knowing that everything is energy, vibration, and frequency, and that you are actually a mass of energy. Therefore, you can transmit your thoughts as frequency, and you can vibrate those thoughts to give you whatever you desire, because all of us on this planet, we have one mind, and this one mind is connected to the divine infinite mind, and there are different arrangement of this same mind. And that is why you find you have a rich man and a poor man and a beggar man and a thief. And that is because of different arrangement of this same mind. But when you understand that you are the operant power and you are the operator of this power, you would realize that your inner conversation is what would give you your outer expression. And what you impress upon your subconscious mind through your inner conversation, it will be displayed in your outer expression. So, my brother, my sisters, what am I saying? I'm saying you have to learn to unite yourself with God and accept that God and man are one. Accept that you are the creator of your life, because it's your own thoughts that is creating your reality and creating your personality. Because you understand that as a man thinketh in his heart, or his subconscious mind, because his subconscious mind is the part of you that never sleeps. It is the part of you that is infinite and all-knowing. And so, whatever you impress on your subconscious mind, that is what would be expressed. So, as a man thinketh in his heart, his subconscious mind, so is he. So when you start to hold yourself responsible for your thoughts and your action, it is you having a proper understanding of unity. This is you having a proper understanding how you are one with the infinite. So my brother, my sisters, remove all limiting beliefs that will keep you divided. Remove all arguments. Remove all things that doesn't benefit you. Remove it out of your life. And accept the fact that God in man is man's imagination. For everything in this world, it was first a thought, it was first an idea, it was first imagined. And you're told that without him, there isn't anything made that was made, and that all things were made by him. In St. John chapter 1, verses 3. And when you come to accept that him is not a man 2,000 years ago, it's just a personification that represents the human imagination, and you start to operate from the place of your imagination, then you would realize by experience that God and man are one, and that thoughts become things. Mostly, you will discover that we become what we think about most of the time. So, unite yourself with your mind. Unite your outer self with your inner self. Understand your spiritual and psychological self to lead and direct your physical self. Understand the Son and the Father and the manifestation. Understand your divine self and accept the fact that abundance and prosperity is your birthright. You can only do that by accepting your divine self, your higher self. So, my brother, my sisters, accept your creative unity. You need creative unity. If you're not seeing your life the way you want it to be, it is because you're lacking your creative unity. Okay? And so, that's my encouragement to you. If you want to create your life whichever way you want it to be, get in alignment. Unite yourself with the rest of nature. And as you can see, nature always brings forth bountifully. And so when you're in alignment, your life will also bring forth bountifully. Because you would have tapped into the world of creativity. As I said before, that secret is in Matthew 6:33. Seek first the kingdom, and when you find the kingdom, you'll definitely find true creative unity. So with that being said, my brother, my sisters, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you listen to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram or you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. And if you feel strongly to support this work, I just want to remind you that we have a PayPal and the link is always down below. Also, you can choose to be a part of my Patreon community and support this work continually if you feel strongly led to do so. And I have a $20 course also. It's called The Inner Sun Science and Technology to create your reality consciously. And it's all about the light that is within you that you must discover so you will understand the light that you're beholding outside as the sun. And whatever the sun shines upon, it brings forth bountifully. And when you are in alignment with the sun outwards, by you tapping into the sun inward and find your soul body, and you're in alignment with your soul mind, your light would definitely shine and all would see, because you definitely tap into your creativity and use your ability for the upliftment and advancement of all of humanity. So if you feel strongly to check out those videos, I definitely encourage you to do so. At this time, I just want to say peace. Love you all. Out.